Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tires and related accessories for Honda Accord that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Tire Valve Caps by DSVI. These are not your average valve caps. They're made of fine copper with premium alloy and come with leak-proof technology. The corrosion-resistant build ensures long-term durability while keeping your tires safe from dirt, moisture, and snow. The die-cast copper molding adds a stylish touch, making these caps a great accessory for your Honda Accord. In terms of design, these valve caps feature a beautiful black finish and a robust texture that enhances the aesthetics of your vehicle. They're lightweight yet durable and come with rubber seals inside for added protection. These caps are specifically designed to replace worn-out or damaged valve caps while ensuring stable tire pressure for safe driving. Plus, the plating on the surface prevents oxidation and rusting. Now, who are these for? These valve caps are ideal for Honda Accord owners who want a simple yet effective way to protect their tires while adding a touch of style. They're easy to install and offer excellent value for money, though their price isn't listed. The only downside is the lack of detailed performance reviews, but with a 5.0 star rating from customers, they seem to be a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Tire Valve Stem Caps from Outsop. This 5-pack of caps is made from high-quality copper with an exquisite black coating that resists rust and wear over time. These caps are heavier and more durable compared to aluminum alternatives, making them a reliable option for protecting your Honda Accord's valve stems. Design-wise, these caps are sleek and stylish, adding an exclusive look to your tires. They come with leak-proof rubber O-rings, ensuring a tight seal that prevents moisture and debris from entering. The included small wrench makes installation a breeze, and the simple screw-in thread design is easy to work with. Additionally, Outsop offers a 2-year warranty, which speaks to their confidence in product durability. These caps are perfect for Honda Accord owners looking for a combination of functionality and style. They're great for keeping your tires in good shape while adding a polished look to your vehicle. On the downside, the price isn't listed, and they're more of an accessory than a performance-enhancing product. However, with a 4.8-star customer rating, they're a solid option for anyone seeking high-quality valve caps. Coming in at number 3, we have the Honda Tire Pressure Monitoring System TPMS sensor from CaraRav. This 4-pack of sensors is designed specifically for the Honda Accord 2008 to 2012 and other Honda models, ensuring seamless compatibility and accurate tire pressure monitoring. With pre-programming and trouble-free installation, these sensors are ready to go out of the box. Performance is where these sensors shine. They offer a high level of tire monitoring accuracy, delivering real-time updates on tire conditions. The sensors are built to withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +125 degrees Celsius, and the batteries provide reliable performance for over 5 years. CaraRav also conducts regular inspections and updates to ensure product quality, which is a reassuring feature for buyers. These sensors are ideal for Honda Accord owners who prioritize safety and performance. They're perfect for monitoring tire pressure and preventing potential issues like punctures. While the price isn't listed, the sensors offer excellent value for their reliability and durability. The only downside is the need for a scanning tool to activate them, but once installed, they're a fantastic addition to your vehicle. At number 2, we have the Dorman 939-265 wheel. As the budget option on this list, it offers remarkable value for just $50.47. This wheel is designed as a direct replacement for select Honda models, ensuring a perfect fit and structural integrity. Backed by over a century of experience in automotive replacement parts, Dorman delivers trustworthy quality at an unbeatable price. With a 15-inch wheel size and a rim width of 6 inches, this wheel is thoroughly tested for performance, including dynamic radial testing and axial runout testing. Its lightweight build, 17.61 pounds, makes it easier to handle, while the pitch circle diameter of 114.3 millimeters ensures compatibility with specific Honda Accord models. Although it's manufactured in China, the quality is consistent with Dorman's high standards. This wheel is ideal for Honda Accord owners on a tight budget who want a reliable replacement part. While it may lack the premium features of higher-priced options, it delivers solid performance and durability for everyday use. The only con is the slightly lower customer rating of 4.1 stars compared to other Dorman products, but it still ranks as a good budget-friendly choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dorman 939106 wheel. As the premium option on this list, this wheel is priced at $87.98 and delivers top-notch quality and performance. Designed as a direct replacement for specific Honda models, it offers a perfect fit while maintaining the structural integrity of the original wheel. This 16-inch wheel boasts an impressive load index of 1186 and a rim width of 6.5 inches, making it suitable for heavier loads and enhanced stability. Thorough testing, including dynamic radial and axial runout evaluations, ensures optimal performance on the road. Backed by Dorman's century-long experience and a team of US-based engineers, this wheel is a standout in terms of reliability and durability. If you're looking for the best overall wheel for your Honda Accord, this is the one to choose. It's perfect for daily commuters and those seeking a high-quality replacement that combines style, durability, and performance. The downsides are its higher price and slightly heavier build, 19.2 pounds. But considering the 4.5-star rating and stellar customer feedback, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.